Hello, my name is Rajiv. I'm the father of Aryav Rajiv, and Aryav has been taking sessions with Growing Star for the past 2 to 3 years. He started with math for the first grade, math for second grade. Now he is currently continuing on math for third grade. And one thing I like about the Growing Stars is mainly the flexibility that they provide. With Arya being a kid, he is not always focusing. So whenever there is a problem with focus, they kind of call us and let us know. The feedback is immediate. So the flexibility, the feedback, the patience the teachers deal with him, these are all some of the positives of the tutoring session and things like that. And I also have my elder one, Pranav, who has been engaged or who is being engaged by the Growing Star teachers for the past 3 years across Geometry, Algebra 1, Algebra 2, and SAT and IB Math as well. So in a whole, Growing Stars has been supporting our kids well from the scope of mathematics. And also due course, they also support us for other sessions when there are some challenges that my kids face. So we are happy with the way things have been going on till now, and we expect this to continue. I thank all the teachers who has been supporting my kids, and best wishes.